Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off your location on Facebook. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to turn off your location on Facebook, first head over to the Facebook app. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner. On the next menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Settings. Next, in the top right hand corner, tap on the search button and then do a search for permissions. And then tap on the first option that says device permissions. Next, tap on location and then tap on update settings. Then tap on open device settings. And then on the next menu, tap on permissions. Tap on location. And here you'll see that I've got mine set to deny. So my location will never be shared with Facebook. You can change it to ask every time or allow only while using the app. So if you want to turn off location on Facebook, ensure that you've got deny selected. And that's all it takes to turn off location on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, I'd love if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.